Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. Before we check for available updates, let's swipe down the control center and make sure our tablet is connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. Then tap the gear icon to open Settings. Swipe all the way down to About Tablet section, open it, then go to System Update in here and tap Check for updates on the following page. Now, if your device detects an available update, it will start downloading and installing it. Once the update is installed, your tablet will need to restart, and after the restart, your device will be fully updated. Besides, we can also check for the security updates by going back to Settings list, finding Security and Privacy menu, opening it, and tapping Check for updates in System and Updates section. And here we have the similar scheme. So basically, once we tap Check for updates, if there is an available update, your device will start downloading and installing it. And once the installation is finished, you're gonna have to most probably restart your tablet to apply an update. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.